Smoke. Oh, it's bad. Sorry guys, that's better. Jane's measuring it because we're low on resources, as in wine. So you can probably guess we're down the woods. This is a bench we made. What were we celebrating?
Winter solstice.
Winter solstice. So I made this bench.
Looks nice.
And we've got the fire going. It's just me and Jane. This is Boxing Day. It's Jane's birthday. That's what she wanted to do. And this is what we're doing. 20 trees, beech and whatnot, and cherry. And we're going to have some nice lamb steaks in a sec. So come and join us. Go for it. Try and get this might get it smoked out. Oh, that'll do.
Oh, that's good.
Okay.
It's better, I can feel it.
There we go. Anyway, that's the wind picked up from. Anyway, 2 seconds. Right, let's just let that fat get going. I'll come back in a sec.
Well, that's enough for both of us, isn't it?
Yeah.
Huge. It's breakfast as well then.
There we go. Sizzling lamb steaks, organic. I bought a whole lamb. Yeah, pretty yummy. Beautiful, beautiful. I'll just show you where we are. You know where we are, the usual place. Not a soul about anywhere.
I'm here.
Oh, except for Jane. Of course, we'll have to wish her happy birthday. There he is. She's now wrapping up. Happy birthday to you. Cheers. Happy Christmas and Happy New Year. Take it easy. All the best for the new year. Love, peace and all that. Lots of love and peace. Just peace. Okay, so I'm just going to add to what we've got down here. Because I made these benches and they're quite hard. So we've got a Hessian sack, which we're sitting on for, so it doesn't, keeps the damp out. And then also we've got these really pads.
Make a big difference.
I bought them off eBay. I think they're about £4 each, I think they were.
We put them on the chair usually, don't we?
Yeah. And they are absolute godsend. You can even use them with your folding chairs, make them massive difference. You've got to move them off. They're going nice, yeah. Not much of a heathen. This tree looks like it's crying. It looks like a face. Looks like someone's got a really bad snotty nose to me.
There is a face. Look, there's 2 eyes. And a nose. Look.
I only borrowed it for the day. You can eat all that?
No, we're not going to eat all that.
Well, probably not, but I'm going to have a good go. It's actually very mild tonight. Top, probably. It's that mild, they're actually sitting out in my underpants. Hello, Jane.
Yeah,
but it isn't.
It's
true.
The
Yes.
new underpants are too tight.
Yeah, Sally's bought me some new ones. I'm not, you don't want to know this, guys, but
Like it's
whew, I think they need breaking in. But it's all right though. I'll get used to it.
Okay.
Might cut this one a little bit. There's a piece of Bristol. Whoa.
Get a pair of scissors.
Sorry? Oh, that's cooking beautifully.
Got any mint sauce? That was a sizzle.
Whoa.
Yeah, so it gets in your eyes.
Whoa, blimey. Okay, more wine time, Vicar.
Oh, okay. So we have fire.
Baby.
Oh, is there brandy in that? Is there? There's some pudding. Oopsie daisy.
You ready?
Yep.
Right. You want the two smallest?
Yep.
Sure.
Yep. I have lots of veg.
Hold on.
Hang on, just 2 or 3.
This is the invisible veg. There you go.
Okay.
I'm
Well, we
gonna
have got it. We've just been
Can't be
lazy.
bothered. No, it can't be hard.
Well,
Right.
We're just feeling a bit lazy. We've had lots of sprouts. Christmas. You can only have so many sprouts.
You can. I got a massive piece. I don't like it burnt. Right, catch it a bit. No, I'm going to have the big piece. A small piece I will. James, just have a look at that.
Yep,
Hold on, let me just zoom in.
not too pink.
Oh, beautifully cooked.
The smoke is following us.
Bit difficult in the dark, isn't it? But look at that.
I just know if we were cowboys, we'd have beans at least.
Yeah, it'd be like blazing saddles then, wouldn't it, the pair of us, because we're staying the night. Come on then, everybody. I'm going to show you what we've done as well. So, what? Okay, so down here we've got a stream. You probably won't see much. It's pitch black. But what we do as well, we feed the local foxes and the local deers and the badgers and the rabbits and the birds. And we have quite a collection. So what we do, if you see on that log there, that's especially in winter time, they are struggling a bit. And then over there, I don't know if you can see it from here, over there, where my camera is there, I've put a carcass as well, and then we've got a trail cam zoomed in on the carcass, which is the Christmas dinner chicken. We had chicken this year for a change, quite a big one, but it was only, that's what everybody wanted, so that's what we got. To film wildlife. And we have got some collection of wildlife. Squirrels, owls, you name it. We got it, even though it's pitch black. It's quite pleasant. Very nice. You'd have to watch where you're walking, wouldn't you? Back to the camp, which is, here we go. This is the camp. This is Janie. We'll keep that for tomorrow. And we're going to have bacon as well. Tomorrow! Didn't see anything, all the meat's still there.
Why do we do this?
Stop, because we enjoy it. We'll stop for a min,
Hey,
and then...
I've got 1,000 views on my 8-man camera. Just saying.
Oh, for the... You mean how to set it up?
Yeah.
Oh, brilliant. Right. Jane's going to tell us something really interesting on the camera.
Odin only drank red wine. He didn't eat. That's what he did.
Really? Well, there you go. He didn't
you
eat,
really?
he just rang, yeah, a bit like...
Yeah. That's all he had to do to be a Viking. God.
Trying to hear the owl.
There he is.
Can you hear that?
He's behind us. Can you hear it?
I heard it. Anyway, guys.
Got to encourage him.
I know, in a minute, just 2 seconds. Jane's going to do an owl mating call.
No, I'm not. I'm on camera.
And I'm going to stop for now, and we'll catch you guys in the morning.
It's all misty.
Say good night, Jane.
Good night, Jane.
Good night, Mark. Morning campers. Right, gonna get some streaky. I tell you what, okay, look it is. Look at that. Oh no, it's not. It's 2 pieces. I thought it was really thick then, I got excited. Yeah, so we're in the woods again. Well, this is in the morning. We stayed last night. Quite quiet, a little bit of drizzle. Jane wants a bit of bacon so we go back. So I'm just going to put a bit of bacon on. Yes, Ian, I'm cheating. I'm using a little cooker, but it's everywhere sodden. I'm not making another fire this morning. There we go. We've had a coffee. And we slept for, get this, 13 hours. Because it gets dark pretty early, so went to bed about, well, it was 8:30. Because Jane posted a picture of me lying in the bed at 8:30. The next thing I know, we've gotten up and it's 9:30 this morning. Couldn't believe it. Brilliant kip. Streaky bacon, right? Streaky bacon for yonks. Mum used to buy streaky bacons when we were kids. It was the cheap cut, wasn't it? But it looked pretty nice. So breakfast, what time is it now? I have no idea. I think it's about 11:30. I'll give you a little bit of, these cookers are fantastic. This is a butane gas. So in this type of weather, I'll take it out, put it in my hands, warm it up, shake it, keep it warm, then put it back in again. But you can buy the mixture, which is butane propane, which is much better because propane burns hotter and it doesn't sort of solidify, or it can freeze. Butane can actually freeze. So take it out and you get a bit of a flame then, otherwise it just dies down. There you are, bit of useless information for you. I'm putting it all in the whole pack. It's actually, I'm not saying who it's by, I'm not bothered about that. Maple cured streaky bacon. Maple cured. Ooh, I just snuck a piece without Jane knowing. Beautiful. Look at that. I could say about 4 degrees to be honest with you. There we go. Right, that's the whole pack in. Zoom around. Ooh, look at that. I'll show you what I mean. So the flame's starting to die down a bit. Okay. So I'll just show you again. Okay, I've not turned it down or anything. Right, let's pause. Not pause. Right. Turn the gas off. Release the bottle. There's not much left anyway. There's enough. There's quite a bit in there. So give it a bit of a shake, and I'll warm it up now, and I'll show you'll see the difference. Make sure it lines up properly. Engage. Ta-da! Big difference. And the bottle's partially empty anyway, but yeah. There you go. Drooping funnel. That's my foot. Look at the size of these, and they're almost a complete. They call them fairy rings, yeah. A beautiful one there. He's edible.
Well, not now, but yeah.
They would have been. I stand back, you can see another one just been destroyed there. I mean, Jane's foot is just there, so it would have been a complete circle. There you go. Trivia. Scarlet elf caps. Elf caps.
Yep. Better ones here.
And you can eat these. These are actually edible. You can actually,
pretty, aren't they?
yeah, eat them as they are. You don't have to cook them, and you can put them on salads. Am I correct?
Yes.
Yes. It's the only one like it really, isn't it? And these are an abundance of cramp balls. King Alfred's cakes, I think they call them as well. Great fire starters. And usually find them on ash.
Pan to your right now, baby.
I don't know if you can actually, I'm not going to get too close.
This is quite a good area to see it from.
There's a bell pit, that's from when they're mining. I'll get a better position, hold on. There you go. So it's straight down there. Bell pit. This is lime kiln wood. Just come from down there, did about a mile. The amount of stuff you see is incredible. And we'll carry on up. It's a bit sludgy. And this is called, get that in view, in focus, that's called candle snuff. You stick with me and I'll teach you everything you want to know. There's either squirrel or deer nibbling at the ivy. It's a nice old one, look at him. Jane's giving him a hug. What is this? Oak?
Ash, I think.
Is it ash, is it?
Right.
Because we've got a lot of ash dieback at the moment, so we're all going to give him a big huggy wuggy. Look. Mm.
It's got a bump. Look. It's hugging the tree as well.
Sexy bum, ivy. Yeah. Oh.
He's beautiful, isn't he?
Hello, Oak. Oh, it's damp, isn't it? Right. Someone's left some nice, and they're not scraps, they're actually good veg for the deer, which is lovely. It's a pity someone locally is shooting them because they're making a lot of money out of them. What a shame. This is tremella. Beautiful. It doesn't give it this really orange. There you go. Can you see it?
Yep, no friend of us, that's good.